All right, ladies and gentlemen, I do not like to bring this news, but the United States of America is very close to an economic collapse of biblical proportions, something that I think will wreck the U.S. dollar, push us into hyperinflation, and ultimately introduce the new world reserve currency, because that was always the plan, ladies and gentlemen, is to destroy the value of the U.S. dollar through hyperinflation and make it so difficult for you to survive that they could provide the solution to the economic problem that they created. And so what I think is going to happen is we're going to have an economic reset of biblical proportions that destroys the value of the US dollar currency and basically hyperinflates all non-dollar denominated assets like real estate, cash flow producing businesses, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and more. Now, these geopolitical events, of course, crisis after crisis, notice this, it was crisis after the new Ukraine crisis, which are now calling for World War III, which needs to be your wake-up call. You need to realize that if you don't get out of cash today, you are screwed, and you're going to be in a very dire situation in the coming days as they continue to blow up the debt. And I believe there will be an executive action very, very soon to do what? Introduce CBDCs, the new digital dollar, the new digital yuan, and of course, trust that plan, because this is the new economic system. They're going to need something catastrophic to occur.
Hey everybody, Economic Ninja here. I hope you're doing great. We're going to talk today about the new Federal Reserve's central bank digital currency, or better known as CBDC, or the Fed coin. Now, I want you to make something very clear. This, I do it wrong all the time. This has nothing to do with that. Bitcoin is a decentralized blockchain, a decentralized ledger, okay? Using blockchain technology. The Federal Reserve's Fed coin is completely centralized and trackable. So we're going to talk about that. I'm going to show you how they are rolling it out within 12 months. And that is going to actually come at a very scary time. So without further ado, let's do this.
And we have a fake stock market, we have a fake housing market, we have a fake bond market, we have a fake economy. It's all built on a house of cards, and it's all about to fall. No matter what happens in Eastern Europe or what happens in Asia, what's going to happen right here is what we really need to be concerned about, because all hell is about to break loose right here in the U.S. Interesting is that we're hearing talk that if negotiations in Eastern Europe don't result in some type of peace, that World War III is next. We had Jerome Powell, the Fed chairman, come out today and talk about more aggressive rate hikes. It is nothing but more and more bad news. So in all reality, the markets should have really got crushed today and didn't. Dow Jones down 201, that's nothing. On top of the news that we've been getting over the last day or two, these markets should have been absolutely crippled today. And last night, I was looking at CNBC. Gold slips on stronger dollar, set for biggest weekly fall since November. But this morning, gold back up, silver back up. And they just love to downgrade gold as this barbarous relic that nobody needs. You don't want it. You need to continue to run up your credit cards. You need to be buying into the stock market. You need to be buying a new house. That's what they want you to do. But again, inflation, World War III, food shortages, the talk